Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Timmy Skin Glow and I'm so excited to be here again. Of course, this is another um, very educative video for you, I must say. If this is your first time of stopping by this channel, you're welcome to our skincare family. Timmy Skin Glow is where you learn about skincare, simple DIYs I share with you, skincare tips that you will not find anywhere on Google and even on YouTube. I give you top secrets in skincare. And of course, we do product review on this channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget we have Timmy's Skin Glow product. Our products are so effective and of course we deliver worldwide. So distance is never a barrier. Okay, if you are interested in our skincare training, we have that as well. We have our natural skincare formulation class. Everything in that class is made from scratch. Okay, natural skincare formulation class is made from scratch, no pro mixing or whatever there. If you're interested in making your product from scratch, very effective recipe, you want to work with Timmy Skin Glow customized recipe, then the natural skincare formulation class is for you. If you are interested in pro mixing, we have our pro mixing ebook. The recipes there are so safe and they are very effective. Okay, pro mixing recipe will give you white undertone, and of course our natural skincare formulation recipe will give you yellow undertone. So that's the difference basically. You know, so many people believe organic products don't work. You haven't tried my recipe. If you get the recipe from my natural skincare formulation class, you're going to be amazed at the results. So many reviews from our students worldwide. If you check this the highlight section of our Instagram page, you are going to find a lot of positive feedback from our students. Okay, and yes, we also have ebook on whitening based cream, very effective whitening based cream recipes. Okay, those are my customized recipe. And we also have an ebook on whitening activator oil that's also available. So please send me a message via the WhatsApp number on the screen. Let's talk about the class and our product as well. I'm open for consultation if you want to product recommendation, send a message. And don't forget to follow Timmy Skin Glow on Instagram, okay, at Timmy Skin Glow. So today I'm going to talk about glycerin. This is what glycerin looks like. The importance of incorporating glycerin in your skincare routine. This is what glycerin looks like, okay? It's colorless, it's so clear, and it's odorless. You can see it. This is what it looks like. And then here we also have the Skin Doctor Pure Glycerin. Okay, I hope you can see it. Skin Doctor Pure Glycerin. If you put a name on Google, the picture will pop up for you to see what it looks like. So I'm going to talk about this glycerin. They are the same. This is pure glycerin. This is pure glycerin. This here is made of 100% glycerin. This is vegetable glycerin. We have vegetable glycerin, and of course, we have whitening glycerin. So whether you're using the vegetable glycerin or the whitening glycerin, I'm going to talk about the importance of incorporating it in your skincare routine. So many of you don't know what glycerin can do in your skincare routine when you incorporate it. Trust me, glycerin is a game changer if you know how to use it well in your skincare, in your daily skincare routine. So glycerin, it's a clear, colorless, odorless liquid derived from vegetable oils, and it's commonly used in skincare products. If you check through the label of your skincare product, whether your cream, your oil, your soap, your serum, you are most likely to see glycerin there. Glycerin is very important and it's mostly used in skincare routine. Yes, some oils are actually made of glycerin base. Okay, most oils use glycerin as the base, and of course we have oils that are oil based and we have oils that are glycerin based. When you get to you may be a little bit confused about this because glycerin has to do with oil, water soluble product, but when you get to register for a skincare class you get the detail of that. Okay, like our luxury whitening oil, if you have used that oil, our luxury whitening oil is actually made of glycerin base. Okay, it's very good. Now glycerin is a humectant. Glycerin is a humectant, which means it, when we talk about humectants, we mean ingredient that attracts and retain moisture in the skin. That is what glycerin will do for you. I'm going to tell you the importance of using this in your skincare routine, and I'm going to tell you how to use glycerin in your daily routine. So glycerin basically, um, this is what it looks like, and it's usually one of the cheapest skincare ingredients in the market. This is used in most skincare products. So is glycerin suitable for all skin type? Yes. Glycerin is safe to use on the skin, and it's suitable for all skin type, whether your skin is the oily type, combination skin, or and normal skin, dry skin. You can use glycerin without having any side effect. Okay, so is glycerin harmful for the skin? No, glycerin is not harmful for the skin. Does glycerin darken the skin? Glycerin does not darken you. Glycerin, remember I said this is a humectant. So just like your shea butter you use for skin building, you use to moisturize your skin, you may notice and darkening effect when you use shea butter directly on your skin. But when you use glycerin, it does not darken your skin. As a matter of fact, glycerin is used in most whitening products. Will glycerin darken you? No, it won't. Will glycerin whiten you? No. This glycerin will not whiten your skin, but there's a way you can mix it and whatever to get whitening effect. But using glycerin like this will neither darken you nor whiten you. So please, if you think using this will just darken your skin, no, it won't. If you're expecting a whitening effect from using this glycerin, no, it will not whiten. Watch this video to the end to get the detail of what to expect from using your glycerin. Remember, I said this is pure vegetable glycerin. It's not a whitening glycerin. Okay, so the importance of using glycerin is that it helps to improve the elasticity of your skin. It makes your skin firm and supple. So get the importance first, and at the end I'm going to tell you how to use it on a daily basis. Glycerin helps to make your skin firm, so it gives anti-aging benefit. It gives your when you see some skin that looks so firm, plump and healthy, like when you see the skin, no green vein, there's no wrinkle, it's not looking thin, it's looking healthy, firm, and that's what this glycerin will do for you. As a matter of fact, you can use it for skin repair. Okay, but for now I said I'm going to tell you the importance, and then at the end of the video I'll tell you, towards the end of the video I will tell you how to use it on a daily basis. So glycerin will help to improve the elasticity of your skin, making it firm and supple and looking so plump. That's what it does for you. It also helps to calm irritated skin. So this basically, it has similar benefits with your shea butter. It has similar benefits with your shea butter. But the only thing is that shea butter can darken you, can make you dark. But glycerin will never make you dark. It will never. Okay? So it helps to improve the elasticity of your skin. It helps to calm irritated skin, and it also helps to reduce the sign of aging. Like I said earlier, it gives anti-aging benefit. So it helps to reduce the sign of aging. It helps to reduce wrinkles, um, dry skin, thin skin. It helps to fight against all that, and it's suitable for all skin types. Is it harmful to the skin? No, it's not. Does glycerin darken? No, glycerin will never darken you. Now, can you use glycerin on your face every day? Yes, you can use this on your face. You can apply it directly on your skin like this. You can apply glycerin directly on your skin, on your face, your neck. As a matter of fact, I told you this is a humectant, which means it helps to moisturize the skin, lock in moisture. If you are battling with dry palm, if your palm is dry, you want it to look soft and moisturized up to 24 hours, then glycerin is something you can use as well. You can use this on your face directly, you can use it on your neck, you can apply it on your palm, on your lip, directly. And also you can apply it on any part of your body, okay, on your skin. Can you mix glycerin with your body cream? Yes, glycerin can be mixed in both body cream and hair conditioner. You can mix it directly. If you feel your product, you have a very nice cream, but it's making you dark. Sorry, you have a very nice skin, but it's making your skin dry. Pour glycerin there, not too much, just pour it. Instead of using oil, you can pour glycerin, mix it very well, and then apply it all over your body. No problem, it's going to moisturize you. Okay, so you can mix this in your cream, you can mix it in your hair conditioner. As a matter of fact, glycerin is used in hair care product. It's used in hair care product. You can apply it directly on your hair as well. It's used in hair care product and skin care product. So is glycerin safe for all skin type? Yes, glycerin is safe for all skin type. No issue or whatsoever. You're not going to get any issue from using glycerin. Okay, does glycerin make you glow? You know, a well moisturized skin is equals to, it gives you a brightening, glowing skin. If your skin is well moisturized, you are going to glow. You will glow. You must glow. If you have a well moisturized skin, a moisturized skin is a healthy skin. So if your skin is well moisturized, it will glow. That means if your skin, to get a moisturized skin is to use glycerin. So if glycerin can moisturize your skin, and I said a moisturized skin is equal to a glowing skin, then glycerin, of course, will make you glow. You see, glycerin is using, if you watch my video on base cream made from scratch, of course, we use glycerin there. We use glycerin in facial products, we use glycerin in body products. So it helps to moisturize and lock in moisture. That means it's going to make your skin glow. Okay, and then it, of course, it glycerin add a luminous glow to the skin while also making it even tone and smooth. Glycerin helps to smoothen the skin, it helps to improve skin elasticity, it helps for anti-aging, it gives anti-aging benefit, it calms irritated skin. So glycerin, of course, helps to smoothen your skin and make it glow. It gives you an even tone and well firm skin. Is glycerin a wash-off product? No, you can use it as a leave-on product. So how do you use glycerin? Just when you come out from your shower, after, you can use it morning and night. You can use it during the day and you can use it at night. So once you come out from the shower, while your skin is still damp, that is the best time to use glycerin. Don't apply glycerin on dry skin. If you apply the glycerin directly on your dry skin after cleaning it with your towel, you may feel some kind of well, I say irritation, but you're not going to feel so comfy. Okay, the best way to use glycerin is by applying it on damp skin. So you can use it on your face, on your body, all over. Use it day and night, but make sure, the only thing you must do is make sure that skin is damp, not totally dry and not too wet. Just make sure it's damp. Okay, rub it directly, don't mix it with anything, just rub it directly on your skin. Trust me, you're going to love the effect. It will moisturize you all day long. You can use glycerin every day, you can use it every week, you can use it for months. As a matter of fact, for the past 2 months now, I've not used my product. I'm taking a break from my whitening product. I've been applying this directly on my skin. Apply it on your face and your neck, everywhere. If you are taking a break from skin whitening, skin lightening, and you don't have strength to mix butter, you don't have strength for those DIY skin lightening and firming butter, repair butter, all you want is just a glycerin. All you want is just something that will moisturize you. You don't have money to go and buy those heavy moisturizer and those skin firm products. Just get glycerin like this, apply it all over your body, but make sure you are applying it on damp skin. You can use it during the day, you can use it during the night. It will not darken you, it will not irritate your skin, but make sure you're applying it on damp skin. So if you don't know where to get this regular ones, you don't have an ingredient seller, or you don't want to buy, you don't have money for way bill and all of that, you just want something, you can go to the supermarket and just pick off the counter, then I recommend you get Skin Doctor Pure Glycerin. Skin Doctor Pure Glycerin, it says 100% pure versatile skincare. In the ingredient label here, it says it's 100% pure glycerin. 100% pure glycerin. So here it says Skin Doctor Paris Pure Glycerin, softening and smoothing, moisturizing, 100% versatile skincare. It protects your skin and it softens your skin. Safe and effective, multi-purpose. So this here is 150 ml size. You can use it morning and night. Okay, apply it all over your face, your skin, your neck. You are going to see the effect. Please come back to tell me thank you. If you've tried this before, if you've used not just Skin Doctor, if you've used glycerin at all on your skin directly, please let me know. Share your experience with me in the comment section. Share your experience with other viewers in the comment section. Let's hear from you how it actually works. Of course, I will always give you the best. I always give you the best on this channel.